Okay. So we are dealing with the 2 dice problem. I am into a game with Manan. Okay. I have rolled down a dice. I have rolled a dice. Now the possible outcomes for my dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can get either of these numbers. I can get any of these numbers on my dice. Suppose, children, suppose I am getting 1. Suppose in a roll, when I am rolling a dice, the number on the top is 1. Okay. What are the possible options for Manan? Now it's Manan's turn. What are the possible options for Manan?
1, 2, 3, 4,
I
5,
have
6.
already
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I
5,
have
6.
already got 1. Now Manan is rolling a dice. Now Manan is rolling a dice. What are the possible outcomes for Manan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Can he
6.
get 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well? Any of these 6 numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
There is nothing like कि ma'am has got 1, so Manan cannot get 1. Is it like that?
No, ma'am.
No.
Is it like that?
No,
When
ma'am.
you're throwing a dice, when you're throwing a dice, you may get 1, 1 on both. You may get 1, 2. You may get 1, 3. You may get 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Anything? Bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are the possible combinations. We are just discussing the possible combinations. So these are the possible combinations, beta. Right? Suppose in the throw of dice, I am getting number 4. Suppose मेरे पास number 4 आया. When I rolled a dice, suppose I am getting number 4. Now it is Manan's turn. Now it is Manan's turn. He is rolling down his dice. What are the possible options for Manan?
1, 2, 3, 4,
What
5,
are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2, 3.
again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any of these 6 numbers can be there on the dice of Manan? Yes, children? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
how are we going to connect to this? That is, what are the options? 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. That is how we are going to read it. I'm getting 4,
Yes,
Manan
ma'am.
is getting 1. I'm getting 4, Manan is getting 2. 4, 3, 4, 4. We both are getting 4. I'm getting 4, Manan is getting 5. I'm getting 4, Manan is getting 6. So any of these combination is possible, children?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Likewise, the similar thing will happen with 2, 3, 5, 6. So how many cases are there we are getting? How many possible cases?
36.
6. 6. Likewise, 6 for 2. 2, 1, 2,
36.
2. How many total cases will be there? How many possible cases?
36.
36. Is the chance clear to you? Is it clear to you? Like in case of head and
Yes,
tail,
ma'am.
beta. In case of head and tail, what we were doing? Head, the other person can get head or tail, anything. Tail, the other person can also get head and tail. So that is how we were reading. There were only 2 options. So we got 4 cases in all. There are 6 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the game is being played 2 times. There are 2 dices. So 6 square, 36 outcomes will be there. 36 outcomes will be there, possible outcomes. Are you with me, children? आपको बात समझ आ रही है बेटा हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बच्चे? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So how are we going to list down all the possible outcomes here? You just have to keep in mind that if you are getting 1, you just have to keep in mind if you are getting 1, the other person is free to get any number out of 1 to 6. Any number out of 1 to 6. If you are getting 2, the other person again is free to get any number out of 1 to 6. And this will give you 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, total 36 cases. This will give you total 36 cases. So what are the possible outcomes? Let us list down the possible outcomes. We'll make curly brackets, and in those curly brackets we can write 1, 1. Next will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then, which is the next option? I am getting 2. Manan is getting 1. Can anybody tell me the next one?
2,
2,
10,
2,
2,
3,
3,
2, 4,
2, 4,
4,
2, 5,
5, 2,
2,
6,
6,
3,
3,
1,
1,
3, 1,
3,
3,
2,
2,
3,
3, 3,
3, 4,
3,
3,
5,
5,
3, 6,
4, 1,
4, 1,
4, 1,
4, 2,
4, 2,
4,
4,
3,
3,
4, 4,
4, 4,
4,
4,
5,
5,
4, 6,
6.
5, 1,
Then
5,
5,
1,
5,
2,
1,
5,
5,
2,
2,
5,
5,
3,
3,
5, 3,
3,
5, 4,
5,
5,
4,
4,
5,
5,
5,
5,
5,
5,
5,
6,
6,
5, 6,
6, 1,
6,
we
1,
have 6, 1,
6, 1,
6,
6,
6,
2,
2,
6,
6,
3,
3, 6, 4,
4,
4,
6,
6, 5,
5,
6,
6,
6,
6,
6,
5, 6, 6.
this thing closed. Your bracket will be closed. And how many total cases are there?
36,
36.
36,
Total cases are 36.
36.
Yes, beta. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you may be asked question like 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. Or it could be like 1 dice is thrown twice. एक dice को 2 बार throw किया. The question can be asked either way. The question can be asked either way. So what you are supposed to do? Suppose the question is, what is the probability? What is the probability of getting sum as 12? Sum as 12. Now you have to see in which case you will get sum as 12.
I'm 6,
66,
6,
66.
6, 6,
6, 6,
Only one case. What is that? So what is the required probability, children?
ma'am, 1
1 by
upon
36.
36,
1 by 30.
1 by 1. If I say sum as 11, 11
6, 5, 5, 6.
6,
6,
5,
5 and 5,
ma'am,
6.
I'm 6, 5 and 5, 6.
6, 5 and 5, 6.
5 and 5, 6. I hope you know that these two are different.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
This is, I have got 6, Manan is getting 5. And this means Manan has got 5. Oh, sorry, I have got 5 and Manan is getting 6. There's a difference in both the things, no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next I would like to ask you sum as 9.
Ma'am,
5,
3,
4,
6,
6,
6,
3.
3.
5, 5 and 4.
Ma'am,
3,
3,
6,
6,
3,
6,
6, 4,
3.
5, 5, 4, 6,
6,
3.
3.
Ma'am, 5, 4, 4,
3.
5.
Wait. Let us start with the column of 3. Is it possible in the column of 3?
Ma'am,
3,
3, 6,
3, 6,
4, 5.
Column of 4.
4,
4,
5,
5.
5,
In the
5,
column
4.
of 5.
5, 4.
5, 4,
6, 3.
6, 3.
6, 3.
3.
It is
1 by
easy.
9.
Whichever number
1
you
by
will
9.
get, whichever number you will get its reverse also. जो भी number होगा 4, 5 है, उसका reverse भी उसके पास होगा. It will be in pair. Getting my point, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me ask you another one. I'll give you a hint for this. I want product, let's say product as 12. Now what I
Ma'am,
would
3,
say,
4.
wait, you make factors of 12 here. It will be easy. 12 is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Any other possible case?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And 12 is not on the list. The highest number we have with us is 6. So this case will not be treated. So what will be the favorable cases, children?
2,
2,
6,
6,
12.
6, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3.
6, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3.
4, 3.
1 by 9.
Clear hai beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I product का system यही करना, side में आप उसके factors calculate कर लीजिए, and then see like 12 is not on the list, so it should be removed. So 2, 6, and obviously it's reverse 3, 4, and it's reverse 4, 3. Okay. Now I'm asking you one question. Prime number on both the dice. Now you should be aware which all are the prime numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Which all are the prime numbers out of 1 and 6?
I'm
One,
2,
one,
3,
3.
5.
I'm
2,
2,
3,
3.
2,
I'm
3,
2, 3.
5.
I want such numbers. I want those numbers which are prime. दोनों prime होने चाहिए. Both should be prime. Both.
I'm 2, 3.
2, 3, 2, 5, 3.
Wait. The only 3 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So हमको 1, 4 and 6 are not prime number. So we need not look into the column of 1, 4 and 6 at all. जरूरत ही नहीं because we want both prime. We want both the numbers to be prime. So let us see in the column of 2. In the column of 2, which will you will be taking? 2,
2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5.
2, 3.
2 and 2, 3, 2, 5.
3,
2, 3.
3, 5.
2.
Likewise,
2,
in the
5.
column of 3.
I'm 2, 5.
I'm 2, 5.
Likewise, in the column of 3.
3, 2, 3, 3, 5.
5.
In the column of 5.
5, 2, 5, 3, 5.
5, 2, 5, 3, 5,
5,
5.
5.
So how many favorable cases?
18.
8.
18.
Favorable
9.
cases.
9.
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 9.
9.
And probability is 9
1 by
upon
4.
36. 1 by. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I am
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
you a split.
One.
Doublet means
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4,
1,
5, 6.
1,
Double
2,
number.
2, 3, 3,
1,
4,
1, 2,
2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5,
4,
6.
4, 5, 5, 6, 6.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone having doubt, you may please ask. Children, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to take up another one. I'm asking 5 will come at least once. जो नंबर 5 है वो दोनों में से एटलीस्ट मिनिमम कम से कम एक बार तो 5 आ जाए इन अ थ्रो ऑफ डाइस. 2 बार आ जाए नो प्रॉब्लम, बट कम से कम एक बार. Can you tell me the cases which has 5, 1, which have 5, 1 at least 1? In
1
which
1
row
by
and
5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5.
5, 4 by 5, 5 by 6.
Wait. We should be looking in the column and the row that contains 5. That's it.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
किसी के पास तो 5 होगा ही नहीं. And in these row and column, there is one intersection. एक common number है. How many times will that common number be counted?
Ma'am, 2 times.
Two
Two
times.
times.
One time.
Ma'am, 1 time.
How
sir,
many
one.
times? Only one time, beta. Only one time. Only one time. Because these are the possibilities with you. These all numbers are one time. So cannot be counted 2 times. अगर आप इसको 2 times count करोगे तो 37 हो जाएगा बच्चा. Getting my point? It is 36 only. Okay?
Yes,
So how
ma'am.
many cases are there? How many cases are there? Tell
12.
me. 12.
11.
Ma'am, 11.
Only
11.
11.
1. You may count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is already included. So 11. 11 upon.
36.
Are you with me, children? This will be counted only once.
Yes.
ठीक है? अच्छा, अगर अब मैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछूं, 5 will not come up either time. Since I have told you to write favorable cases, here though you can list down 11 favorable cases easily. Now my next question is कि मुझे 5 चाहिए ही नहीं. I don't want 5 at all. Now what should you do?
36 minus 11.
And 36 minus 11.
25.
11.
Remaining all
25.
cases. अच्छा, getting 5 and not getting 5. What kind of events are these, children? What kind of
Ma'am,
events are these?
elementary and complementary events.
Complementary.
These are opposite of each other. These are opposite of each other. We want something to happen and at the same time we don't want that thing to happen. So these are complementary events. And what is the probability of complementary events?
1.
1.
1.
Of E plus probability of E bar. Here RE is getting 5. So I can write probability of getting 5 and probability of not getting 5 is 1. G? So this gives me that probability of not getting 5 is 1 minus probability of 5, which can be written as 1 minus 11 by 36. We can take LCM now. What is the LCM?
25 minus 36.
36 minus 11 by 36.
25.
25 by 36. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I ask you another thing, like number on the first dice should be greater than the number on the second dice. Number on the first dice should be greater than the number on the second dice. What are you going to do? Which all cases?
1, 2,
2,
1, 3, 1,
3, 1, 4, 1, 5,
3,
1,
1,
6,
3,
1.
2,
There
4,
be any number here?
No, ma'am.
1.
2, 1,
2, 1.
2, 1.
3, 1, 3,
3,
2,
1, 3, 2. 4, 1,
4,
5,
1,
4, 3.
4,
2 and 4,
4,
3.
2, 4,
5,
5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4.
5,
4.
6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6,
6,
4, 5.
3, 6, 4, 6, 5.
4 and 5.
So these numbers will be there. Okay? Mayank, you may stop better.